The 2025 4xe Jeep Wrangler Willys 41st is officially here, and we're going to get into it. Small little quick fun video here today. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. So today's video sponsor is Xcool. Xcool is a power bank that's made for iPhone. It works from the models 12 to 16. All you have to do is charge it. Once it's done, you put it here in the back of your phone, turn it on by the bottom, and it starts charging your phone super quick. I'll leave a link in the description below on this video where you guys can pick it up. You know, it's an affiliated link from Amazon, which I make a little bit of money that supports the channel. So what is going on, guys? The 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Willys pays homage to the old school Willys with the 41st edition. And it comes in one color, but guess what? Dodge is making you, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, whatever you want to call it, Stellantis is making you pay for that color. Whenever everyone or anyone has upgraded their Jeep and they want to give it that old school military concept, the first thing they do is they give it this olive drab paint that mimics the old school Jeep Willys. We have to remember that the Jeep Willys was put in service in the military service back in 1941. It served the purpose in a lot of wars, World War II, the Korean War. My great-grandfather in Cuba had a World War II Jeep Willys imported to Cuba to work on his farm. So we go way back to the Jeep Willys. Now, mechanically, it's still the same. It's still your Jeep Wrangler with your 2.0 turbocharged liter engine. It's got the e-motor with a 21-mile range. That's pretty much it. One of the few things I want to get into it, we have this 17-inch aluminum wheels that look exactly, you know, obviously the modernized version of the old school Willys wheel. And what I like about it, it's obviously got the olive drab paint, but we have a little kind of emblem or a little badge in the middle where you see a Jeep Willys. Again, mechanically standpoint is pretty much the same. Now we have an interior picture here. This is a tan interior picture. One of the good things I like that Dodge or Jeep or Chrysler, whatever you want to call it, or Stellantis does to this vehicle is that you get a huge infotainment in the front, but with the Jeep you still get a lot of buttons, which is something that I love. I need buttons. I love to get in there, turn my AC, turn my hazards. I love it all. We get the tan interior picture. We get a tan color picture. I mean, a tan color interior, because they're mimicking the old school Jeep Willys. So they're giving you almost everything to look exactly the part, but a new modern version. And obviously the Jeep model is 10 times, it's double the size of the original Willys. You also gonna get the doors get to be removed, the seats are tan and stuff like that. But let's get into the price. So the final and probably most visual impact of the Willys 41 the 41 Heritage is a unique tan soft top that you can only get on this model. It isn't available when it launches, but a body color hard top is. And if you want this tasteful but, you know, truly thought out homage vehicle, you can pretty much order it now at $62,000. If that's a lot higher, and that's a lot higher than the Jeep, which is pretty much advertised at $59,000 MSRP. I mean, this is about $3,000. The olive drab is unfortunately a mandatory added cost, which is the cost for the color of the Jeep, which is $595. The eye-watering $1,895 destination price must be also factored in, and that does not include the incentives, which it's pretty much a write-off of like $7,000 worth of national cash offers, and the tax credit for the EV up to $3,750. Is it a good deal or not? They will be arriving at dealers around the end of the year. So what are we getting? We're getting the tan interior, the removable doors, the original, the one that you want or that you buy comes with the hard top. If you want the soft top, you're gonna have to order it separately. You are gonna get the decals that we see here, which is the Willys, the 4xe. Again, there is a lot of love and hate relationship because a lot of people think that the 4xe is not a good vehicle. It's only an e-motor that gives you 21-mile range. Whether you're saving a lot on gas or not, that's yet to see it. Now, I can tell you this. I know that the enthusiasts, I've been reading around the old interweb. I went on Reddit and I gave, read around a few opinions. People want the original Wrangler to be, if you're going to make a homage or heritage edition or a special edition to the Jeep Willys, people want the original ICE, all combustion motor, all-wheel drive, not some EV stuff. That's just the opinion that I've been reading around the old interweb. If you ask for my opinion, it's exactly the same. 17-inch aluminum wheels that pretty much look apart from the older one, but to a new modernized tan interior, and the soft top, you could add it on, but it's not going to come with it. You're obviously going to have to order it apart because it is coming with the hardtop. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out of here. Remember to check out the link on the description below for the sponsor of this video, X Cool power bank for your iPhone. I am out of here.